hike for today is going to be Sol Duc Falls. We're currently driving there. We have just about 41 minutes left, 29 miles. So that'll be our next hike, and I believe is going to be 1.6 miles out and back to the waterfall. And then after that, we're going to drive to our hotel, which is the Holiday Inn Resort in Sequim. So sit back, relax, and enjoy our next adventure in the Pacific Northwest. Alright guys, our final adventure for today, Sol Duc Falls. Jeez. Alright guys, so we are right here. It's about 0.8 miles to get to Sol Duc Falls. I believe the entire trail is 1.6 miles out and back. Oh, look at this, Dad. We're in cougar country.
Oh, shit.
Oh, God. I hope we don't see one of these. Wow, this place is so cool. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
What a peaceful trail. Oh man, it smells like fresh air out here. Sun's starting to set. It's beautiful colors in the sky. Blues are really popping through. This is our last hike for the day, and then we're driving to Sequim. I've been pronouncing it wrong this whole time. Oh, there's that Seven Lakes Basin loop. That's how you get to it, right here, for all those lakes. All right, Sol Duc Falls, guys. Let's do this. All right, guys, we're almost there. I'm walking down the steps now. Sol Duc Falls. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my God. All right, guys, time to drive back and head to the Holiday Inn Express in Sequim. I probably won't be doing a lot of filming on the way there just because we're kind of tired. It's been a very, very busy day. We visited 3 beaches. We drove like 3.5 hours and all kind of different terrain. So yeah, we're gonna have a relaxing drive back now. I'll see you at the hotel for a room tour. We had to make one more stop here because we can't get enough of Olympic National Park. So this is the, I believe it's called the Salmon Run Grounds or something like that. Salmon something. Let's check it out here. We just had, it's a quick stop here. It's just an observation point of the river. The Sol Duc River. We were driving by earlier and we saw this. Oh yeah, look, see? This is a salmon, this is where they swim upstream. So this is the portion of the river over here. Oh my God, look how blue the water is. Wow. Look how blue that water is down there. This is so nice. Look at how, I know. Look at the water. That is the bluest water. It's literally like a aquamarine blue, which is, oh my God, so amazing. Alright guys, I lied again. We're at Lake Crescent in Olympic National Park. Oh my gosh. We're here for sunset too. Thank you guys for watching today's hiking adventure to Sol Duc Falls and Olympic National Park, and we'll see you in day 4's adventures in the Pacific Northwest.